Losing things is a pain. Keys, wallet, phone, but what about the key to your crypto fortune? If you're an ELLIPAL X user, you know exactly what I'm talking about, the metal mnemonic seed phrase card, or as we often call it, the ELLIPAL X Card. This isn't just a fancy accessory, it's a vital backup. So, what actually happens if this card vanishes? Let's break it down. First, the good news, your crypto is safe for now. The ELLIPAL Titan is an air-gapped hardware wallet. This means the device itself, which holds the private keys necessary to sign transactions, is completely isolated from the internet. Losing the X card doesn't instantly expose your funds to hackers. The card itself doesn't hold your keys, it holds your seed phrase. Think of your seed phrase as the master recovery code for your entire wallet. The real problem begins if you lose two things, the ELLIPAL X card and your ELLIPAL Titan device. If your wallet breaks, is lost, or stolen, the only way to recover your assets onto a new device is by entering that 12, 18, or 24-word seed phrase. Without the card, and without any other written or stored backup, your funds are permanently inaccessible. They're stuck on the blockchain, tied to a private key that only your original seed phrase can recreate. Now, let's say you just lost the card, but you still have your Titan device. You need to act immediately. Your first step should be to retrieve the seed phrase from the device itself. Go into your ELLIPAL settings and find the View Seed Phrase or Backup option. Write it down, very carefully, on a new, secure medium, ideally, another solid metal card or multiple pieces of fire-resistant paper, and store them in separate secure locations. After you've backed up the seed phrase safely, you have a crucial decision to make: keep using the wallet, or migrate your funds. If you're confident the lost X card is simply lost in your house, but was never compromised or seen by anyone, you might decide to continue. However, if there's any chance it could be found by someone malicious, you need to create a new wallet. Creating a new wallet means setting up a completely new seed phrase on your ELLIPAL Titan. Once the new wallet is generated, you must immediately transfer all your funds from the old address to the new address. This is a critical security measure. The cost is the transaction fee, but the peace of mind is priceless. Once those funds are moved, the lost X card, even if found, becomes useless because it recovers an empty, defunct wallet. So, the ELLIPAL X card is a failsafe, not a primary vulnerability. Losing it is a serious warning sign. It means you are one hardware failure or one clumsy accident away from total loss. The key takeaway is simple: always have multiple